Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Bob's Woodshop. Today we were at the Essex County Environmental Center to do one of the two big events that they have during the year. They have the Earth Day Festival earlier in the year, and today was the day of their Fall Festival. The Woodturners get involved helping out with this great organization. And here's some of the sights and sounds. This is where we turn tops for our favorite charity, the Children's Specialized Hospital of Mountainside, New Jersey. Here's some of our turners on the right and some of the guests on the left. The kids really have a blast. And I'm not sure really who has more fun, the Woodturners or the kids and the parents watching us turn tops. There's Carol. And there's Patty. There's Bob and Michael. We have a really good time. We're using our hobby and sharing it with the public. And the New Jersey Woodturners are primarily a educational and charitable organization. The New Jersey Woodturners have 93 members. We have 8 ladies in the club. Here's a little sampling of how we decorate the tops. This is Michael. He's a new member, and he's already textured this top, and now he's applying some color to it. This is quite a bit of fun. You can do this in your own shop, or it's really a lot of fun if you do it out in public while you're demonstrating. The parents and the kids come up, and they just have a blast watching us do this. We typically ask the kids what their favorite colors are, and we'll make them a custom top on the spot. The Fall Festival has all different types of activities. Here's a huge corn maze. It was fairly crowded today. Here's a little bit more Michael turning one of his tops. This is got a little bit of talent involved doing this. Michael is showing us how to do this. Here's Patty. Here's a top that's on our spinning board. This one is one that I made earlier today. Here's a couple of the guests that came. These two were a lot of fun. Here's an example of the kids having a blast. They usually are turning 2, 3, 4 at a time, and they just run up to the tables and they have an absolute blast doing this. So here's where we're having a raffle for the cutting board that Eddie is holding. No, there's Anthony on the right.
Grab it, shake it up, shake it, shake it back and forth, up and down, spin around, spin, use that spin.
I like that, yeah.
All right, now jump up and down, jump up and down. Man. Okay, your turn. Okay, shake it up and down, shake it back and forth, spin around. Now jump up and down,
So here's a top that Patty was making. She has it reverse chuck. And here's some of the gang. Unfortunately, we didn't get everybody who helped us out today. Sorry about that, guys. And here's a few more of the tops. And right here are some of the projects that Gil makes. Gil Malavia is a very experienced turner and has been in the club for a very long time. There's his famous mice. And if you have any interest in wood turning, or you want to donate to the club or learn more about the club, you can contact us at NewJerseyWoodturners.com. And hey, you guys know the drill. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.